welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about a couple of videos that are going around. In these videos, you can see a car look like a Toyota Axio, right? Pull up, draw down pan females, right? All of the videos about so far, females. Run down the woman, one of them run her down, right? Woman drop on the ground, them take her things, them, come on them business. Look like them have weapon in them hands. The next one, woman there gate, them draw down pan her. Catch the woman completely off guard. I mean that the lady with her gate, it look like all now she didn't realize what happened. It look like everything happened so fast. Even after them gone, she didn't realize what happened. Me always sorry she couldn't open the gate and the dog them run out, cause she have some dog in the yard. But obviously because them catch her at the gate never open. Sorry the dog then couldn't run out. Let me talk about this. You've heard me mention the Chacha Boy thief already. See, the narrative is, in Jamaica, the reason why enough used to things like this is because they have no other option and they're at their last end. And malnutrition is about to kick in. And any minute now, the worm them in them belly, right, they go finish them off. So them have to resort to things like this. False narrative. Used to do things like this, I look fast money, easy profit. All them need is a vehicle and a weapon, and them can grow on and make, well, them can go from 10,000 to who knows, 100, 300,000, there's no limit to them can make. Fast money, them a look. I want you to think about this. The woman of them run down, I walk, she a walk. This lady in the sun out, I walk, go her yard. Them in a vehicle under AC. Them a driving a one Axio, well comfortable. AC down, face cool, not even a sweat upon them face. This woman a walk over and down in the sun. Them a live better than her. The weapon of them have in a for them hand probably cost more than she make the whole year. Not even talk about the car yet. Not even talk about them ring on them finger. Not even talk about them shoes yet. Because Jamaican 87s are so bright and feisty. They may rob you in a Balenciaga. They may rob you in a Gucci. They may rob you while them have on them Fendi sneakers on them foot. So them bossy. Rob you with Christian Dior belt in them pants. So them are going to see this woman walk with her purse, her bag, grab it. Poor woman drop on the ground. When she get up, she just start run. She don't even know she run, but she just start run. See, these are the people Jamaicans love big up. We don't talk about bad man. All in our life when you hear about bad man, it sounds glamorous, right? This is a bad man. This is what bad man do. The name is there. The name is literally bad man. They do bad things. But in an acidic society, bad is good. Are them money on the rate, you know? You know why them going to look for women? Because they are soft targets. Easier targets. They are less likely to buck up in a resistance by going after females. Less likely. That's somebody's mother, somebody's auntie, somebody's sister. Could be your mother, your auntie. You see, it's not so cool now, is it? It's not so fun. When you can see it, I one thing for you know when it sounds so cool, but when you see it visualized in a real life, not so cool, is it? Kerosene and pseudo kerosene, wannabe kerosene. It's not so cool now, is it? Because it put you in a spot. Now you think to yourself, hold on, enough time I walk down my road by myself. I see him saying, could I draw down upon me? Yes, I see him saying, could I draw down upon you? You see, getting upset at criminals for doing criminal things is like getting upset at a vulture, right? Because it feeds on a carcass. That's what they do. That's what they do. Criminals are acting out their nature. Do criminal things. You know who you should be honored with? The people who back them, love them, support them, rate them, big them up, give them prestige status. Make them so prestigious as right now local boys aspire to be them. You know who you need for pre? The same females them who jump up on ball when them see this and talk about, boy, look how them wicked to the poor woman. The same females them tell you say, gunman them want in them all. I mean, what's the problem, Kerry? What's the problem, wannabe Kerry? Cause you know you have enough wannabe Kerrys. Them talk the talk, but them really don't want to walk the walk. Right? What's the problem? This is what it looks like. This is what gunman look like. Isn't this what you want? How you think J-Bad afford the lifestyle him have? You ever see him work yet? Well, guess what? No, you have, because that's his work. That's his work right there. Go around and take working people things from them by force. One thing, if you understand, sir, them youth get the most roadblock in Jamaica. Get the most tire through in a road and most knives, and all the local kerosene come out and the mother come tell you say, nothing can go so. Not my boo-boo. Not my pumpkin. Not my snugglepuss. Most a mistake. Lie them a tell. Lie them at them drive them go to the station go finish my lie them a tell. Suppose you see how the waste man they make the woman drop on the ground. There's something hurt me, I don't even know the woman. Now, even from a bad moment, we can take learnings. So, what is show we? Cameras are important. Remember the video I have? 5 things every Jamaican needed in the yard. One of them was a camera. Cameras are important. This was captured. The 2 incidents were captured by people, like normal people having camera upon the house. One of them facing the street, right, facing across the road, and there's something to catch it. Cameras are important because they can tell about the story. Even if they catch in a face, they can at least tell about the story. Piece back something. So if they end up get catch, even though them face and show, at least it improves the chances of something coming out of it. So that's the first thing. Telling all the time. Take the money we wanna spend on belt and Hennessy. I wanna spend on the dearest and latest and put a camera system on your house. Next thing, while we're up on camera, Jamaica Eye. Sometimes we see Jamaica Eye track man quickly, and in other times, we don't know. It seems like hit and miss because this vehicle are move on casually. So it would be great if the security forces could be able to pick it over here so, then sit over here so, and catch the boy them and give them what they're looking for. I don't understand how man feels so comfortable for the fact that them not only pull off 1 but 2, and that's just how we see on camera. You know, so there's a whole heap others but us never get catch on camera. So that shows that them confident enough, because remember in 87 is not a problem. So them confident enough to know say, if we go that area and drive around, we can make 5-6 hits and then move on about business. Them have to be confident for that. The quick response team where the JCF have, I like the concept. But between it and Jamaica Eye and the residents, we need to keep sharpening the edges, make sure that this thing get better and better, because that teamwork I just mentioned a while ago, you need citizens to tip off the police. You need the help of Jamaica Eye and everything there. We can track after them get the tip off. Then you need the quick response team to go deal with the case. The quick response team is a very good concept. I like it. Right. What it need to constantly improve. When things like this happen, and if you sit down, look on the map, alright, where are the blind spots? Jamaica Eye, we can see over here, so we can see over here, so alright, this is a blind spot. Why is it a blind spot? Is it that the people over there with the camera are not tapping, or we need to set up constantly evolving? Crime fighting and something more static where after you get a couple, after Trafalgar then they clap your hands and say, see there, we reach, no, we don't reach nowhere. We don't reach nowhere when time 87 them can move around and do this to people. So hopefully them get at least a license plate and then them can start them tracking from this. So But them youth they look too comfortable for me. Them youth they look content like them know say nothing has happened to them. That means say them already tell themselves, you know what? I just one half. When time them catch you and when Jamaica iron them thing they work, I just one half. I just lucky them lucky. Them still confident. You see when time them start you see, when I get catch, left, right and center, that's when them I go lose confidence. That's when time doubt I go kick in. And that's when them I go say, you know what? Yo, I don't know no more youth cause you know, see every minute the man I get catch. That's how 87s think. When them see only one get catch every 225 days, them know say the odds depend for them side and them just keep doing it. Anyway, we can see it work out now. Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.